Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing great. So for today's video, I'm gonna tell you certain tips that would help you in improving the health of your hair. I'm sure that most of you would be suffering from issues like hair fall, hair growth issues, frizziness or dry scalp. So I would tell you certain tips that would help you in solving all of these problems. So let's start. So guys, the first tip that I have for you guys is do not use those big paddle brushes or those round hair brushes. Instead, opt for a wooden hairbrush, because when you use those big paddle brushes, they cause like friction in your hair and it makes them look static, because of which you get frizzy hair. Whereas if you use a wooden comb brush, it would help in taking out all the oil from your scalp and making it reach to the ends. So as a result, your hair would look healthy and they would also have a natural shine. So guys, the next tip that I have for you guys is always oil your hair, even if you have an oily scalp, because just like a skin tends to produce much oil if we do not keep it moisturized or hydrated, the same way our hair tends to produce oil if we leave them dry. So never skip your chumpy sessions, always oil your hair to keep them healthy and shiny. So guys, the next tip that I have for you guys is do not use a dryer to dry your hair. Rather, let your hair dry naturally, because if you use a dryer, it also strips down all the natural oils from your hair and it makes them dry. As a result, your hair tends to produce more oil and you get an oily scalp, and further, the dryer also makes your hair roots weak, so it also leads to hair fall. So always let your hair dry naturally. Tip that I have for you guys is always give some about 20 minutes sunlight to your hair, because sunlight gives all the essential nutrients to your scalp, and it also increases the production of keratin in your hair, and we all know that keratin is highly important for your hair because it keeps them healthy and shiny. So do provide a little bit of sunlight to your hair on a regular basis. Also, if you have static hair or frizzy hair, the sunlight would help in getting rid of that, and it would make your hairs healthy, shiny and bouncy. So guys, the next tip that I have for you guys is do not leave oil overnight in your hair, or do not sleep when you have oil in your hair, because no matter how much you love your champies, if you would put oil and then sleep, your hair tends to fall more, because your roots tend to get weak when you apply oil. So when you're sleeping, your head gets rubbed against the sheets or the pillows, and as a result, the friction is caused in your hair roots and it tends to fall. So it's advisable that you keep oil for about half an hour in your hairs and then wash it off. If you are someone who wants your hair to grow more or who wants to prevent frizziness, then it is best for you that you keep your hair braided rather than keeping them loose, because when your hair are loose, a lot of dust tends to accumulate in your hair scalp and it results in hair fall or frizziness. So if you want to prevent all of this, then try to keep your hairs braided. It would increase your hair growth, and it would also prevent the accumulation of dust in your hairs, and as a result your hair would be healthy. The next tip that I have for you guys is I've seen many people that they apply bleach onto your hair thinking that it would make your hair look shiny, but please do not do that. It would burn your hair and it would cause more problems to your hair scalp than even before you have. So avoid bleach. Now the next tip that I have for you guys is understand your hair type and buy products accordingly. Do not buy anything that is being overhyped in the market or being used extensively by a large number of people. Buy only those products that are suitable to your hair. Nowadays there are many products that are available in the market according to the hair types. Like you get different products for wavy hair, for straight hair, for curly hair. So there is much segregation in the products now than before. So know your hair type and then buy. Now guys, the last tip that I have for you guys is, like, if you're someone who have extremely dry ends or who wants to prevent dry ends, then you need to apply shampoo only on your scalp and not on the length of the hair, because when you're rinsing off your scalp, the water that comes out or reaches the length of your hair is enough to clean your length. you need not to apply more shampoo on it, because it would make your hair ends like dry and frizzy. So avoid shampooing your length of the hair and only apply it onto your scalp. So guys, that's all for today. I really hope that these tips become helpful for you. Do let me know if any of my tips worked for you, and also tell me if you would like to see more hair care videos. I would be happy to make them for you. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and I would meet you next Wednesday right here with another video. Thank you.